free 14-week home gym-based powerlifting program. That's what you're here for, and that's exactly what you're gonna get. This is the program that I used for nationals in 2020 for the prep leading up to it. I did have to modify it a little bit because the meet got pushed back, but this is the prep that I used. It is Excel or Google Sheets based. So what that means is gonna go in a spreadsheet, and I'm gonna show you how that works. But the way you get it is you go through the link down below and use the promo code 5K subs, and that's gonna make it free. Normally $85, now it's free. So that's through the link down below. But the reason we have this program to begin with is because the channel hit 5,000 subscribers. And for that, I wanna give you a huge thanks both to everybody that watches the channel, whether you're subscribed or not, and especially everyone who has sent in their home gyms, because obviously that is 99% of what we do on the channel. And if it wasn't for you guys sending those in, well, there just wouldn't be a channel. So very thankful for everybody that has sent those videos in. And if you want to see your home gym on the channel, go through the website below. I'll show you that as well. So when you get over to the website here, garagegymgains.com, the first link up top is to submit your gym. So that's where you can go through. It has a couple questions and it takes you through how to record it. Main things horizontally, a phone is fine, and the length doesn't really matter, whatever you're comfortable with. But you can submit it right through here, and that will go on to my queue, I should say. And then I will get to it in probably a few weeks, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter. But anyways, the fun part, if you go to shop here, go Garage Gym Gains Powerlifting Program, okay? It is right here. The way it works, you'll add it to cart, you'll use that promo code, and then you will get a download link. That link does expire in 24 hours, so just make sure you click on it. I do believe if you click on it after 24 hours, it just sends you another email and still works just fine. Also over here, there are affiliate links. If you go through any of those links, that does help the channel. But here is the program. So there are 4 pages. We've got intro, block 1, block 2, block 3. If you start here, this is where you're gonna put your current training PRs, and this is what your whole program is based off of. You can also do your all-time PRs. It's just gonna be a little bit more difficult. It does auto adjust between blocks. So I would recommend going with 90% of your PRs or your current training PR, whatever that is. So I'm gonna put my all-time PRs in there just so I look stronger, right? And then we will go, from there, and I'll show you how it works. I would definitely not be able to hit these numbers right now, but that is okay. So we're gonna go block 1. Block 1, so it is a 5-day program, and like I said, it's home gym based. So if there is a section where you see these slashes, or the vertical lines rather, it's a piece of equipment that some people might not have, so it gives you a second option. I wouldn't recommend doing both, okay? So all of your compound movements, the first 1 to 2 movements of each day are already programmed for you with the sets and reps. So don't change that, okay? These autofill. So like right now, squats at 395. If I went back and I changed this to 400, it's gonna auto adjust to 260, all right? So let's put that back to where it was. We've got squat, pause squat, glute ham raise, or you can do good mornings, leg extensions, or sissy squats, leg curls, or RDLs. So these movements aren't quite as important. They're just meant to build a little bit more volume in there. So we have our compound movement at the beginning, and then obviously that has the sets and reps on there. On the accessories, the intention here, it has a rep range. The idea is just to be within really 1 to 3 reps of failure. In my opinion, anything less than that, so if you're 6 reps away from failure, really not getting a lot out of that, but it's not as important as the barbell movement. So those can kind of vary from week to week. No big deal there, all right? Then, big thing, once you get to, first one is week 3, there is an AMRAP. So in this case, I have deadlift 530 for 3, and this is towards the end, so you're gonna be a little bit fatigued, so keep that in mind. But let's say I crank out 7 reps. All right. That is going to change my deadlift over here. It goes from 625 to 653. That's going to change the next block. So that's where the auto regulation comes in. If you have less reps, it's going to make it a little bit easier. More reps is going to make it harder, obviously. But that is the program. Block 2, a little bit similar to that first block. And then block 3, we have some color in there. Ooh, what is that, Ricky? Well, I'll tell you. If it is green, that means it's supposed to be RPE under 7, yellow RPE 7, orange RPE 8, 9 RPE 10. So this is kind of the last few weeks. Week 3, obviously you can see it's pretty light going into that test week, which is day 7, aka meet day. And that in reality would probably be more like day 6, but you can move that kind of wherever you want. I'm actually going to change that right now. That is day 6. But that is the program. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. And again, a huge thank you to, first off, everybody that watches the channel, whether you're subscribed or not. And secondly, thank you to everyone who has submitted your home gym. I'm looking forward to the next 5,000 subscribers and bringing you guys a lot of home gym content. So let me know. Once you guys start trying the program, let me know what you think of it, and we will catch you next time.